हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के जून 2013 के पेपर 3 के बारे में। पुल्स इंडेक्स टू पीरियोडिकल लिटरेचर वॉज ब्राउट आउट बाय विलियम फ्रेडरिक। वॉलफोर्ड्स गाइड टू रेफरेंस मटेरियल इज पब्लिश बाय द लाइब्रेरी एसोसिएशन पब्लिशिंग लंडन। स्टार्टिंग, चेनिंग, browsing, differentiating, monitoring, extracting, verification, and ending are important stages of which information seeking behavior model, that is Alice model. What kind of arrangement is followed by Lisa, that is classified. Waveforms is used in asynchronous virtual reference service, an online search in which all aspects of the records in natural language may be used as short term is free text searching. Science abstract published by the American Institute of Physics. Work study, standardized tools, selecting and training of workers are the contribution of F.W. Taylor. When the population is heterogeneous, which of the following method gives better result? That is stratified random sampling method. Which of the following is are not database object, that is tables? What is the process of transferring software program from secondary storage media to the hard disk called installation? Name a technique used for searching sorted data in a database, that is Boolean operator. Information about Government of India's stand on FDI can be found in the Asian Recorder. Anomalous state of knowledge. One of the user-centered models of information retrieval was proposed by J. N. Balkin. The Cranfield text associated with evaluation of information retrieval system was carried under the direction of C. W. Cleverton. LAMP stands for the Linux, Apache, MySQL and Perl. Information literacy competency standard for higher education is prepared by the ACRL. Name of the storage medium for storing instruction or data temporarily during processing is called as the cache. Citation is the online host service of American Institute of Physics. The process of surrogation, repackaging and compaction of the primary literature that results in creation of secondary journal is abstracting and indexing periodicals. Which of the following is not a language of DBMS, that is PLI? How do we render the name Bernardo Augustine Devoto? Devoto Bernardo Augustine. Which reference tool defines reference service as that phase of work which is directly concerned with assistance to readers in securing information and in using the resources of the library in study and research? ALA Glossary of Library Terms. Indian National Advisory Board for Libraries was set up in 1966 by Planning Commission. The process of establishing headings and providing cross-reference is called authority control. Which set of rules is applicable for exchange of files over internet, that is HTTP. The first printed works are called as Incanopula. Which law of library science restated with emphasis on information as a dynamic, continuum and never-ending phenomena, that is fifth law. Andrew Carnegie donated £2 million for the development of the library building, whose model of communication of knowledge suggests that communication as an open system may be regarded as subjective, selective, variable and yet unpredictable, that is G. Gerbner. Which committee or commission recommended that Imperial Library be designed as a copyright library? Faggi Committee in 1939. What are the four entities of Ferber model? That is work, expression, manifestation and item. Who say that information is both a product and a process? That is by J. Martin. The process of planning, allocating, organizing and evaluating library tasks and activities within the framework of major activities, mission and policy refers to the functional approach. One of the authorized user makes bulk downloading of a journal using robots and consequently block access of the journal. What may be the most appropriate actions that librarians should initiate that is 2 and 4, that is asking the licensor for the blocking of the access without prior information and notify user community of user restriction. The purpose of metadata are unique identification and authentication of the records. The primary difference between knowledge classification and library classification are knowledge classification arrange itself and library classification arrange the expression of knowledge in the form of the document. Which of the following activities are supported by the UGC? That is facilitating increased access to the information and making policies for human resource development. Which of the following methods are suitable to achieve quality of teaching learning in library and information science? That is research training, problem based learning and introducing the course at the degree level. Poor accessibility and less affordability of journal subscription in print era led to the open access movement and e-journal consortia subscription. The alternative and modification to H index are I index and European impact factor. Digitization of various cultural resources is possible through the scanners, digital cameras, video cameras and smart and mobile phones. That is all the answer is correct. What are not common features between RFID and barcode technology? That is read more than one item at a time, able to locate specific items on shelves, programmable, read while item is moving. When a librarian had to show the rationale for the purpose of more e-resources, which of the following will help to support his or her stand? That is collection development policy and intent from the user. Machine translation is not a fully dependable services. Reason: the semantics of languages are not fully encoded in the algorithm. A is true, but R is the false. Match the following. Implement is related with the implement the organization. Indest AICT is the e-consortia. Dalnet is the resource aggregator and eGrancos is the digital library. Match the following. Amendable to further algebraic treatment with the arithmetic means. Estimated without knowing values of extreme item is the median. Mathematically and logically incorrect deviation is the mean deviation. The dispersion does not cover all items of a series, that is interquartile deviation. Match the following. Trade publisher is by the HarperCollins, subject book published by the W.B. Saunders, government press by the UNESCO and scholarly publisher by the American Psychological Society. Match the following. Statistical quality process control by the identify the identity of each problem in the production process. Check sheets. Selected variable check. Pareto chart for the record variables in the production process. And Fishbone diagram for the identify the relationship between problems and causes. Match the following. That is Sinha committee for the libraries at Panchayat, block, district and state level. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan committee for the library staff stand. Report of Dr. So and D.B. Krishna Rao for the Central Medical Library. Dr. J. Bhure committee for the National Agriculture System of Agriculture Library. Match the following. Finding solution to the problem of pilferage in libraries is historical research. Implementation of cloud computing service in special library is the experimental research. A study of mathematician turned librarian is the once again, finding solution to the problem of pilferage in library is for the is the action research. Implementation of cloud computing service in special library is the experimental research. A study of mathematician turned librarian is the historical research, and use of web resources in Central University Gujarati is the survey research. Match the following internal files. H.html is the internal file, universal file format, that is .rtf, Corel's WordPerfect is WPD, Microsoft Reader .oeb. Match the following. Classical models related with the Aristotle, linear model, Laswell, non-linear model by Wrestley and Markens conceptual, multi-dimensional by Rusage and Batson's functional model. Match the following. Henry LaPontaine, UDC, H.E. Bliss, Bliss classification, C.A. Cutter, expansive classification, J.C.M. Hanser, Library of Congress. Match the following. PDFA, file format for the long-term archiving. HTML, language for web pages. TIFF, high color depth image. XML, rules for encoding documents electronically. Introduction to Modern Information Retrieval, published by the McGraw-Hill, author G. Salton and M.J. McGraw-Hill. Indexing concept of and methods by H. Borko and C. Burney. Thesaurus construction, a practical manual as lib by the J. Atchison and A. Gilchrist. Thesaurus construction, organizing knowledge and introduction to managing access to information by J. Rowley and R. Hartley. Papyrus in the Egypt, handmade paper by China, clay tables by Assyria, vellum, parchment, medieval Europe. Match the following icon. Bitmap region, manners, character strings, dialog box, obtain information from end user, pointing devices, select objects on the screen. Match the following. Resource description, Dublinco, resource discovery, J39.50, resource exchange, MARC, interlibrary loan, ISO 10160 and 10161. Public library extension by L.R. McColvin. Academic library management by M.B. Line. University libraries for developing countries by M.A. Gelfand. Planning academic and research library building, K.D. Metcalf. Match the following. Indian culture heritage by IGNCA. Race and brittle documents by National Library. Traditional knowledge, TKDL. Mobile digital library, CDAC. A Carol Kulthau for the ISB is of 8 key activities. David Ills, 8 stages. M.J. Belkin. ISB is 4-dimension characteristic. Marcio Nini. ISB is a 6-stage process. Column classification is popular in online catalog. Reason: traditional classification systems are used in online searching advantageously. A is false, but R is true. Technical writing standards, style manuals, and citation standards are very essential in structuring the research report. Reason: value will get enhanced by standardizing the structure of research report. A is true, but R is partially true. The encouraging environment of all time, full reading halls with the students in the library is dismissing that by day. Reason: all the reading material easily available and accessible on internet to all the students. A is true, but R is false. There is a tremendous increase in the number of doctorate being awarded in library and information science. Reason: any academic in LIS holding a PhD degree is entitled to supervised research program. Both are true. The information seeking behavior research at the current times is on the social and cultural context of human interaction with the information. Reason attempt is being made to interpret social and cultural experiences of individual with respect to their information seeking and searching experience. Both are true. With the emergence of internet, there is no need for reference service in this technology based era. Reason internet has allowed access to everyone to seek his or her information from where anywhere and at the any time. A is false but R is the temporarily true. Micrographic service have lost acceptance for preservation and dissemination of archival material. Reason ICT has bowed in cost effective alternatives and replaced micrographic service. A is true, R is partially true. Institutions generate information through research and development activities. Reason all such generated information forms are they are grey literature. A is true and R is the partially true. Maximizing the access to information in higher education is the motto of the UGC Infonet project. Reason the financial grants of UGC Infonet are not being fully utilized by all university libraries for the assigned purpose. A is true and R is the partially true. The effective reprographic service in library indirectly demotivates the user for tearing and theft of reading material. Reason the user gets the photocopy of reading materials free of cost. A is true and R is false. RFID technology is still now widely installed in Indian library environment. Reason the standardization, application and innovation are constantly changing. Both A and R true and R is not the correct explanation of the A. Gap device is a non-scientific solution to the problem of growing universe. Reason a classificationist cannot forecast the areas or subjects wherein some new ones may be emerged. Both are true. All the states in India have enacted library legislation. NKC recommends for the enactment of library legislation in all over the state. Both are wrong.